Hello guys, it's Lucy here from the KetoFoodblog.com website with another keto recipe review. In this video I review the taco frittata recipe that comes from the guys over at Keto and their 30-day diet plan. Details of this recipe and more can be found later in this video. I'm looking forward to this one, so let's dive straight in. For this recipe I will be using the following ingredients. 250 grams of ground beef. 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning. 1/4 cup of sliced olives. 1 small white onion, chopped. 2 tablespoons of water. 6 large eggs. 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese. 1/2 medium eggplant, diced. And finally, 2 tablespoons of lard. That's the ingredients, let's get cooking. First, I start by slicing the olives. Then, I chop the onion. Now I halve the eggplant and dice. Crack the eggs into a bowl and whisk. I add the grated cheese and the olives, and mix together well. I set the egg mixture aside and heat the lard on a medium-high heat. I add in the onions, and cook until soft and golden. Then I add in the diced eggplant. When the eggplant is cooked through, I add in the ground beef and the taco seasoning, along with the water. When the beef is cooked, I add in the egg mixture. I cover and cook until firm, for about 7 minutes. Finally, I place it under the grill for about 3 minutes to brown nicely on top. And there you have it. The only thing that remains is to serve and enjoy. This taco frittata recipe will be a great addition to your keto diet. I rated it 5 out of 5 stars. It is quick and simple, and bursting with flavor. This one is a winner. Head over to our website theketofoodblog.com for my full review, and where you will find tons of other keto recipe reviews to help you choose the best ones for you. Thanks for watching guys, and see you on the next one.